Alrighty everyone, welcome back to another edition of the Combustion Guys Energy Drink Monday, right here, right now, in prime time.
And if you tear off your shirt, I'm getting out of the truck right now.
This is not a cheap shirt, so no, it's a nice shirt. I'm not, that is reserved only for other people. Yes, other people to do. So by all means,
Still sounds like
you do you. Anyways, well, we got ourselves prime time lemon lime flavor in the beautiful green there as well.
So it'll be Mountain Dew tasting, or will it be a Sprite tasting?
Or could it be a starry tasting? That is one of the weirdest rebrands I've ever heard of. So anyways, let's look at the important factoids here. We got ourselves 10 little calories, 55 milligrams of sodium, 3 grams of carbohydrate. We got ourselves 56 milligrams of calcium, 132.7 milligrams of potassium, 255 milligrams of B6, 3.6 micrograms of B12, and 56.3 milligrams of magnesium. And also, as soon as I can find the caffeine content, I'll let you know.
Okay,
I don't see it on there. Caffeine. Ah, well, 300 milligrams of electrolytes. Okay. 200 milligrams of caffeine. There we go. Found it. It's there on the other side of the can. So, anyways, but 200 milligrams of caffeine and 300 milligrams of electrolytes. That's nice. I like electrolytes. Electrolytes are good. Alright, we got the can opening. Alright. Ooh. Maybe Jolly Rancher lemon lime.
Kind of cool.
Wow.
I like it. Once again, at a Dollar Tree find.
Heavier on the lime than you would expect.
Oh, good. I kind of like that.
It's almost like a lemon meringue pie and key lime pie got meshed together there.
That's a cool idea.
I know, that's like really
Wow.
good.
Wow, that is nice. I like it.
Yeah, I know, right? It's a very, very nice mixture and pairing there.
Yeah. And what's the calories in this? 5 or 10?
10 calories in there.
Wow. I like that.
For the flavor that you're getting, 10 calories is incredible. So, definitely, I like
super
that.
syrupy, which is nice.
And very smooth, but still bubbly, which I definitely enjoy.
That's a good flavor. I like that one. More of that, please.
Exactly.
I'll be sure to grab one of those when I'm in there next time.
That is very tasty.
They had a pig statue in their front yard.
That's a weird thing to have. But yeah, so I mean, basically, it really is like a key lime pie with a lemon meringue pie. Is really what the flavor is, which is really good. Very, very, almost Jolly Rancher. Not quite Jolly Rancher powerful, but it's pretty close there. Yeah,
That's
so.
Cool. I'm impressed.
That is very
It
tasty.
takes a while to impress after all the energy drinks we've tried.
But that is a very I mean, it literally is what it is, but it's not what you think it is. You would think Sprite or a Sprite type, but that is very, very, very nice.
I
like
was not
that.
prepared to be impressed.
Nope, I was not impaired, but yeah, that was very impressive. So, anyways, that's been us on prime time. See us next time. Wah!
Yeah, see you next time. Elmo said to get more Lime Prime.